Hey guys, and welcome back to another UK random video. And today I have received a green screen. Yes, UK Random 2 wanted to get a green screen because he wants to start doing some gaming videos. So I thought, what the hell? And recently I've been getting a few bits from AliExpress, and I saw this on there. It's the largest, it's the largest one they do in the round ones, which is about 150 centimeters diameter. It cost about, it was like £14 something. I will put links down below. Go check them out if you're interested. Now, it comes in a bag, so you can take it to the shops with you. I don't know. Anyway, no, it comes in handy putting it in a bag. But I want to open it up, check out the quality. And you know what? I've never used a green screen before. So it will be interesting to try it out, see how it works. Let's get that off. So, there is the bag it comes in, which is green. So you know the inside is the green screen. Interesting, very clever. That can go over there. And right, it is double-sided. So you've got blue screen and green screen. So I guess if you're wearing something and it's green or got green on it, you go with this side. What it does, it attaches to the back of your chair. So it's got straps with Velcro attachments. It's one of those things where you close it by twisting it and turning it to make it into a circle. Now, chances are, when I'm done with this, there is no way I am going to be able to get it back to this, but we'll give it a try. Let's open it up. Wow. Oh, wow. That is flipping huge. Don't know if you... I'm just knocking everything over right now. That is the blue screen. Oh, wow. Maybe I should have gone for the smaller one. And there's the green screen. Wow. See, there's two smaller sizes. One's, I think, a meter. One's 120 and one's 150. The 120 probably would have done. Now, I'm going to try and attach this to the back of my chair and see what the hell this is all about. Right. So these come in handy for streaming, so for gaming videos, reaction videos, even if you're having, I don't know, Zoom meetings, or saying you're at home and you don't want people to see your messy kitchen or wherever it is you're working from. Oh my God. So there is my green screen. Interesting. Now this is a good size because the smaller one, you can't do your hand gestures and whatnot. I don't know. Is this good? Is it not? I'm gonna try and do some funky editing now and see what happens with this green screen. So I'm just gonna talk. Have you used a green screen? Have you got one of these screens with the round ones? Have you got the pull-up ones? You know what? There's so many different ways of doing it. You can literally use anything. A lot of the ones you see online, there's like a metal stand and you put a green cloth down. You can paint the wall green, I suppose. But sometimes they do say it is all about the lighting. Got no idea. Like I said, I've never used one before. The quality on this, I'm feeling it, and it is actually really not that bad. It's actually quite good. I mean, you've got to obviously sort out the lighting so the green at the back is even. Obviously, if more light's hitting one side than the other, you might not get that. Is it chroma key? So Comes from the Greek word, just saying. If this is working out, I'm probably down there talking to you with hopefully a clear background. Or I might try something funky if I can and put a different background altogether. That'd be quite cool. I don't know what I'd use. Maybe I'd use a scene from Star Wars, maybe something from Hogwarts, maybe something from the MCU. It might just be a different color background. I don't know. I've not done this before. I've not edited green screens before. I'm very interested to try it out. I can already see from the reflection on the camera that there's different shades showing. I don't know if that's showing for you or if it's just the reflection I'm getting right now. Like I said, I got this from AliExpress. The links will be down below. Go check it out. Delivery time was quite good. It came within the week. And they're coming from China, so that's not bad at all. I wasn't in a rush to get it. In fact, I've had it for a good few weeks sitting there. I just haven't had the time to make this video. Now I have, and here I am. So, I don't know what to do. Guys, how is it looking? Like I said, I've put the image in one of the corners. You know what? Just for the sake of it, I'm going to say it is right there. Any good? Does it look all right? Is it fuzzy? Is it clean outlines? Or is it blurred? Is it patchy? Is the green screen coming in and out of the shot? I await your feedback. £15 is not a bad price. I've been looking on Amazon as well. They are dearer. On these Chinese websites like AliExpress, Alibaba, Temu, and there's a few others as well. The stuff is really flipping cheap. And it comes, and sometimes the quality is a bit crap. But already, like I said, this actually feels really good. It feels sturdy. The outside is strong to keep its shape. Obviously, I'm moving around a lot. If I was doing a gaming video, and let me grab the... I'll be sitting playing like this. Oh, yeah, you see what I mean about the lighting? I'll be sitting playing like this. Wow, I'm amazing at this game. Wow, am I going to complete it? I'm going to press these extra buttons, make it like I know what I'm doing. Because I am obviously a professional gamer, ladies and gents. I bet you didn't know that. I'm just waffling, guys. Is this any good? If it is, like I said, the links are down below. Go get one, if you're after one, that is. Simple to set up, straightforward. You just strap it to the back of your chair. There's plenty of room for different sized chairs, so it could have been even wider. It would have fit on a wider back. If it's a thinner back, or even height wise, you can adjust literally to suit the chair that you are sitting in. Right now, I've got to say I am pretty happy with this. So, if you have enjoyed this very short and brief and very randomly off-the-cuff video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. We're going to see you soon for another video. Peace.